C drive is full. It is almost exploding now. You're downloading something off the internet, it does not allow you anymore. You're trying to use your computer, running multiple applications, it is acting sluggish. This is what we have in this video today, and that's what we're going to fix within few minutes. Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Editors. If you're also experiencing same problem on your Windows computer, it's Windows 10, Windows 11, or even if it's Windows 8.1, 8.0, doesn't matter. You have a Windows computer and the main drive C is exhausted, there's no more space on it. There are multiple solutions to this problem. You can definitely go ahead and look for possible files which are unnecessarily sitting on your computer. Maybe the big and heavy files which are taking too much space and not needy. You can go ahead and remove them. You can also remove some of the applications, those are not needed on your computer. However, what we're going to do today is beyond all these instructions. In this video, what we're going to do is we are going to try to divert all that data taking maximum space on the drive C. Eventually on this computer, if you're noticing, there are two drives we have. Drive C, which is approximately 118 gigabytes, which is SSD, and the secondary drive we have about 1 terabyte. So this computer has two drives. If your computer does not have an inbuilt secondary hard drive, you can buy yourself one, maybe an SSD, which is from today's generation, which is faster. In fact, I'll go ahead and attach a few recommendations for the hard drive or SSDs in the description. You can go ahead and check them out as well. If you're ready, go ahead and connect an external hard drive or SSD. Once it is connected, open up Windows Explorer. You can go ahead and click on the folder icon at the bottom on the taskbar to access that. You can also go ahead and press and hold together Windows and E button. Now on left, navigate to this PC, and this is where you can see your both drives. The first thing you need to decide what are the main directories you want to move from drive C to drive D. In this case, I'm going to move downloads, documents, pictures, music, videos. So we are going to offload all that data to drive D, and in the future, whenever I am going to save anything within these directories, that would automatically go to drive D. By the way, I'd like to add, moving the data to the secondary drive also gives you an extra layer of protection. Under any circumstances, something goes wrong with your computer or with your main drive, then it becomes always convenient to retrieve the data back from the secondary drive. In this step number 1, we are going to access the data drive D. Now in data D drive, we need to make a right click on new and choose folder. Let's go ahead and create a folder for downloads. You can also create a different folder, maybe pictures or music. Here we are starting with the downloads. In the next step, if you can see downloads on the left menu, you can make a right click directly here and navigate to properties. However, if downloads folder is not visible on the left panel, then you can directly access it from this PC, C drive, and then users, and click on your main user. Now we have entire directory in this folder. Further, find downloads, make a right click on it, go to properties. Under properties, you have various tabs at the top. Just click on location. Now here we need to change the location. Click on move. Now on the left in this window, navigate to data D drive. If you have a different drive, let's say if your drive is reflecting as data E or F, you can click on that one. Under data D, we already created a folder named downloads. Select that folder and click on select folder, apply. You have a disclaimer here. Do you want to move all of the files from the old location to new location? And yes, we do want to do that. Well, I must let you know, when your C drive gets full, it is just not that your C drive is full and you cannot do various things. It gives you a lot of other challenges, like your PC slows down, updates fail, it is always outdated, so you can't even update the drivers and softwares, your whole system stays outdated, which is the biggest problem. At least 20 to 25% space should always be empty on drive C. Once the copying process done, click on OK. And now we have successfully relocated our downloads from drive C to drive D. You can follow the same process with your other directories as well, depending on how much space you want to gain. I'll give you one more example. If you want to move your pictures, go ahead and go to your data drive D. Again, make a right click, new, create a folder, name it pictures. Now go to drive C, or if you can see the pictures folder already on the left, you can go ahead and make a right click on that folder, click on properties, and once again, go to location, and now click on move, and you know what to do. Scroll down and select data D. Now we have pictures here. Select folder, apply, and click on yes. Yes, we want to move all the data. Click OK. Repeat the process with other directories too, and this is how you can simply offload all the data, not only for now, for also future, from the main drive C to an external SSD or hard drive or built-in secondary hard drive on your computer. If you have found this video helpful, do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe Crazy Editors for future tech tips, tricks, and solutions. Until next time, you take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.